Alright guys, so today I am going to be making a magnetic Megaminx. Now, as you can see, this is a Pro Shop Cubicle Megaminx. I've already used this cube in one competition, so why don't we try making it magnetic? Now, if you take a look, the cubicle magnetizes their Megaminxes by drilling holes into the edge pieces and the corner pieces. So I was thinking, instead of doing that, why not we could just put the magnets inside of these. But if you take a look at these corner pieces, they're so tiny. Take a look at this. They're so tiny you can't even see. There's no space for magnets. But there's also two ways that you can magnetize a cube. So if you take a look at a 3x3, you can either magnetize these corners and the edge pieces, or you can magnetize the edge pieces and the middle pieces. So instead of whenever the cube turns, it connects with the edge piece, the edge piece is going to be connecting with a middle piece every time it turns. So that means it kind of cuts down on how many magnets you would need. But if you do it this way, it costs around 100 magnets. The exact number is 96. So let's go ahead and make a magnetic Megaminx. So the first step you need to do is disassemble the Megaminx. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so we're going to be taking a look at this one edge piece and this top right here. I actually already have a magnet in there and a magnet inside of this edge piece. Doing that, you're pretty much magnetizing the bottom and this. But then I realized you can't really put this cap back on if the magnet is on the side there. So we have to magnetize the caps, not these. So that's what I'm going to be showing you. Now we just need to separate them into edge, corner, and cap pieces. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so the first step you want to do is take your cap piece and take one part of your edge piece and you want to put them like this. So this is what they're gonna look like. And now you want to take your magnets, as you can see I have right here. You want to take two of them and you want to put one inside of the edge piece, one inside right there, and then as you can see we have these two get connected. So now what you want to do is you want to super glue the magnet that is on your on the cap piece Megaminx, and then you're gonna do the same thing for your edge piece. Alright, so once you're done with putting magnets inside all of your center caps, the next thing you want to do is take apart all your edge pieces. As you can see, I have all the edge pieces taken apart. So what you want to do now is take your center cap, and you also want to take a edge piece like this, and you want to put them together. Take one of your magnets, put them inside of your edge piece, and get them to stick onto your center cap, so you have this kind of what you started with. But what you're doing now is you're magnetizing every single one of these edge pieces. So once you do that, you want to put glue inside of your edge piece, and then you really don't want to move the edge piece. You just kind of want to move it away slowly. You don't want to turn it in any way, because if you do and the glue gets on the piece, the actual physical piece, when you put it back together, you won't be able to take it apart again, just in case. So that's what you want to do. So once you do that, you do the rest for all the rest of the edge pieces, and then you finally assemble your cube back together.